Are you using Google Forms to collect information from volunteers or to send out surveys to members of your organization? Turn the form responses into a spreadsheet in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to get the most for your nonprofit from Google's tools. Today, we'll show you how to create a spreadsheet from your form responses. In your Google form, go to the Responses tab and then click the spreadsheet icon. A new spreadsheet will be created from your form responses. So there you have it. Create a spreadsheet from your volunteer sign-up form in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more information? Check out google.com/nonprofit.